So, one of the numericals you can expect in, the electric potential is trying to find electric field due to the electrostatic potential. So you would be given the algebraic expression for the potential, which is, for example, in this numerical given by this. And the question is, what is the electric field at some distance? So maybe at r is equal to 2 meters, right? Now, when you try to solve such numericals, remember, electric field is given as the negative gradient of the electrostatic potential. So you have this dV by dr, would give you the answer. So if you have Vr as 2 by r square and you want to find the electric field can be found using this expression dV by dr, and so 2 by r square is equal to 2r minus 2 and d by dr. So once you calculate this, what you get is r minus 3 and into minus 2. So what you get here is this. This is the expression for electric field. Derivative of potential will give you the electric field at that point. Thank you very much.